up, everybody? This is Ryan Murphy. Say what's up, Ryan Murphy.
Hey, what's up?
All right, so I got the Unger what's it called? Hydro System. Don't even know what I got here. All right, so the Hydro System is fantastic. Why is it fantastic? It's easy. It's removable. It's movable rather than the big white tanks. It's not so awkward and bulky. The great part is that it's small. The bad part about it is that it only lasts about 13 hours, 13 and a half hours before you have to change the filter on the inside again. So we came up with a solution is that we wanted the white tank. But Eric, everybody's doing that. You're right. We wanted to add that onto here. And so what we did, instead of putting it on the side or have another hose thing over here, we actually put it right underneath. So it's mounted underneath. Let's say we want to change the filter, right? All we're going to do is do a disconnect. We can disconnect that if we're not using it for whatever reason. We can go ahead then, we can change this. We'll just go ahead and unscrew that and change the filter. So while changing that, you can set it upwards just like so. Take it off and away you go. Quick connect goes right back on. Quick connect goes on here just like so. Garden hose comes right in on this side. Flows through, up and through the Unger, well, through here. What kind of filter do we have?
Say carbon filter.
Carbon filter. And why did we get a carbon filter versus any of the other filters?
Because it takes down to 5 microns of sediment out of the water.
Right. So the sediment is what we learned today, which I mean, I have no idea about this stuff, right? You only know about it unless you learn about it. The sediment, one was like 20 microns, right?
Yes.
Now, microns, which I learned today, I don't know if you learned this,
Yep.
Microns are particles of how big they are. So if it's 20 microns, it's a little bit bigger of a
filter lets more through.
Filter lets more through, right?
Right.
So 5 microns will do what?
Less through.
Yeah, we'll let less particles through.
Right. It'll hold it in the filter.
And this is the filter that we've used. These filters here, expensive, okay? No problem, a little bit more expensive, that's okay. So now it's gonna get in here first.
Pre-filter.
Yep, it's gonna be the pre-filter, through the pre-filter on through here to the Unger, and then out come the water at 000 at the TDS. It comes out 000 anyways, but we wanna preserve this resin as much as possible. This filter here, a lot less money than this filter here, because this resin bag here is what, 86 bucks?
Yep.
78 bucks, 86 bucks, something like that, every single thing. And I've got an extra one up there, which isn't bad, so if I'm somewhere, all I gotta do is push this down, crank it through. Now we put it on a cart. Now, Eric, why'd you do that? Well, hold it here. We put it on a cart, and we'll latch that down. Now we can wheel this thing anywhere we want to. It's high off the ground, no problem. It's not scraping the pavement at the bottom, none of that.
Compact.
It's all compact. That's not coming off. We've got it all bolted down, not a problem at all. The filter's not moving around, everything's there. So we can do what with this? Take it off the truck, wheel it right over to our process, right over to the area that we need it in, lock up our hose. We just got this hose. You want to tell them about this hose? You have one at home, don't you?
Yep. You just this coils up to nothing. It's I guess we could open it, right?
Yeah, let's review it right here. How much did this cost me? I forget.
$37.
37 bucks for the hose.
25 foot.
25 foot of this hose. And this is going to be nice because if you have 25 foot of any kind of hose, it's going to be a whole lot heavier than this stuff here. This stuff is very light. What's going to happen is we have a disconnect over there somewhere. We have a disconnect we're going to go ahead and put on that goes right in here. So this is an easy disconnect off, and this is going to go on the customer's side of their home. So you're all set. I mean, this is light. Tell us why is this hose better than the other?
Well, just smaller for one thing, you know.
A lot lighter.
Yeah, lighter. Yep.
I
Water
mean,
comes out of it really easy too.
Which is nice.
So yeah, it'll stay light.
And we should always use our own hose rather than the customer hose because we just don't know what they're ciphering through there. Sometimes they might have tried to do their own window cleaning stuff. sometimes they might try to put plant material through, right? Let's say it ciphers through and then it ciphers back through the hose and it has all that sediment inside of there. You can suck up leaves, all kinds of stuff in people's hoses. You just never know what it is. So buy your own hose. What did this little filter cost?
$19.
$19, and all the little quick connects and the filter. How much was everything?
$37.
$37 for the quick connects.
Yep.
And then the filters are another.
Well, not even. No, yeah, we had the hose and everything on there.
Hose and everything was what?
Yeah.
$55?
Yeah, I think it was.
$55 for everything. And actually, I have another piece I have to take back. So, not very much, especially if you guys want to save your hydro system. This is a collaborative idea. I would have never thought of this if it wasn't for Ryan. So I give him, a lot of the credit here. And by the way, it is April 30th, 2019, and it is 40 degrees, 41 degrees, 42. It's freezing in here. My hands are like hardly moving. But yeah, this is all set to go. So this would be a great way to be able to maneuver your system. And again, this is not coming anywhere. As a matter of fact, I'll let you guys, I'm going to pull the camera back. And Ryan, I'll let you go ahead and move that and set it down. You have to pardon my dirty garage here. But just go ahead, watch him wheel that thing right on down.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice, right? Real good setup, clean. There's not stuff hanging off. People are not like, what are you guys building over there? Right? It's all clean stuff. Take a look at it. It's just fantastic. We really appreciate you guys tuning in.